Science is full of surprises, and the year 2025 has been no different. Here are our top 5 most bizarre discoveries in science this year. 5 is gonna make you hungry, 4 will blow your mind, 3 might freak you out a little, and 2 has some very serious implications. But no. 1, well, no. 1 is just wild. Let's dive in. Number 5. Tardigrades can survive in space. Now we know this one might not seem all that surprising, since we've known for a while that tardigrades can survive some pretty extreme conditions. But a study published in April of 2025 showed that these microscopic animals can not only survive in space, but they can also thrive there. The research team found that tardigrades exposed to the vacuum of space for 10 days showed no ill effects, and were still able to reproduce after being brought back to Earth. This has obvious pros for space travel. It means that, with a bit of preparation, we could send living things like plants or animals into space, and they would be able to survive the journey. The downside is, it kind of makes us wonder what else out there in the universe could survive in our extreme conditions. Like, imagine if some alien creature decided to lay eggs in your backyard. Yeah, it's fun to think about. Number 4. Speaking of aliens, astronomers have discovered a planet that could support life. Not just any life, though, specifically life as we know it. The planet, which was discovered orbiting a star about 15 light-years away, is roughly the same size and mass as Earth, and it's in the habitable zone of its star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. Researchers say the planet could have a thick atmosphere and an ocean covering much of its surface. But the most exciting part is that it might have a magnetic field similar to Earth's, which could protect life from harmful cosmic radiation. So the pros are, it could have life. Lots of it. The cons are it's 15 light-years away, so getting there would take a while even at the speed of light. And second, even if we did get there, it's not like we could just move in. It's someone else's world, and we don't know how they might feel about us showing up. Just saying. Number 3, a new superbug that's resistant to all known antibiotics has been discovered. The bacteria, which was found in a pig farm in China, is resistant to 19 different antibiotics, including colastin, which is considered the drug of last resort for treating bacterial infections. The bacteria also carries a gene that makes it resistant to polymyxins, which are another class of antibiotics. This is bad because it means that the bacteria can't be treated with any known antibiotics, and it could potentially cause serious illness or even death in those infected. The good news is that so far the bacteria doesn't seem to be able to spread to humans, and researchers are working on developing new drugs to combat it. Still, this is a wake-up call that we need to continue to develop new antibiotics to stay ahead of the superbugs. Otherwise, we could end up in a world where simple cuts and scratches could kill us. That's a very real possibility. Number 2. A black hole the size of a star has been discovered in our galaxy. The black hole, which is located about 20,000 light-years away from Earth, is around 10 times the size of our Sun. It was discovered by analyzing data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which measures the positions and movements of stars in the Milky Way. The pro of this discovery is that it helps scientists better understand how black holes form and evolve. Black holes are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, and learning more about them could help us unlock some of the secrets of how matter and energy interact. The con is that it's a reminder that there are some things in the universe that are just too big and too powerful for us to ever hope to control. Like, imagine if we had that black hole here on Earth. Forget the fact that it would destroy the planet. It's just the fact that it's something that we can't control that's scary. Number 1. Scientists have created a material that's lighter than air, stronger than steel, and more conductive than copper. It's called aerographite, and it's made by combining graphene with air. Graphene is a super strong material that's also a great conductor of heat and electricity. Aerogel is a lightweight material that's excellent at insulating. When combined, the materials create a lattice structure that's incredibly strong yet lightweight. The potential applications for this material are endless. It could be used to create ultralight yet durable body armor, highly efficient solar panels, or even aircraft carriers that float in the air. Well, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. The con is that it's very expensive and difficult to manufacture, so don't expect to see it used in everyday products anytime soon. But who knows, maybe one day it'll become cheaper, and we'll all be walking around wearing body armor made of air. So there you have it, 5 of the most bizarre discoveries in science this year. What do you think? Were you surprised by any of these discoveries? Let us know in the comments below.